Hey, it's Julia from violinspiration.com, and today we are going to learn Believer. If you ask me, it sounds even better on the violin than the original version, so let's try it out ourselves on the violin. This one is the intermediate version. If this one is a little bit too difficult, I also uploaded a beginner version. You can find that in the link below in the description and on my YouTube channel. In the description you will also find everything you need to learn this song. The skill I recommend to practice so that your intonation gets a lot better, and also the backing track and the sheet music of this song. Before we get started, get your violin out and post a violin emoji in the comments so that I know that you are actually practicing with me. Because you're not allowed to just watch, you have to play along in order to enjoy your violin and become a better musician in the process. So now it's time to get your violin, get tuned, and let's start practicing. you so much for practicing with me and great job today. If you've actually practiced, please let me know how many times did you repeat the song and post the violin emoji in the comments so I know that some of you are actually practicing and not just watching me play. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to this channel because I'm uploading more tutorials every single week. Next one I have 2 really fun tutorials lined up and you surely don't want to miss them. I think they will sound so nice on the violin too. Also, I recommend to download my free skills on the website. This will really help you with your intonation and every song sounds better if your intonation is better. And you can find all the skills that I cover in my booklet on my YouTube channel as well. So for now, good luck practicing and see you in the next video. Bye bye! If you'd like a specific blueprint to get good at playing the violin, check out my online violin school, Julia's Violin Academy. It's a step-by-step learning system that comes with a daily practice plan, so you know exactly what to do every day to make continuous progress on your violin. But you don't have to take my word for it. The Academy comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can look through all the lessons, join our live sessions and see if it improves your playing. And if not, you will get a full refund, no questions asked. If you want to learn more, click the link in this video or the link below in the description. We've got hundreds of adults that improved their playing with Julia's Violin Academy and we'd love for you to do the same. Either way, I hope this video has helped you and I look forward to see you in the next one. Bye!